From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Welcome to Philemathics series where mathematics is simplified. In this video, we are going to differentiate a product using product rule. And the question says y equals x squared plus 1 to power 5 and 3x minus 2 to power 4. You want to recall what product rule says. Product rule says if you have a function y as u multiplying v, where u and v are function in their own respect, the derivative of the y, the x, will be v du dx plus u the v dx. So if we call our u as x squared plus 1 to power 5, then our du dx will give us, this is a function of a function. And so for us to differentiate this, you want to differentiate the outer function, which is a power function, which is power 5, and then differentiate the inner function. So this will give us, if we differentiate the outer function, we'll have 5x squared plus 1. From how we differentiate, we subtract 1 from the power. This is 5 minus 1, this is 4. Multiply the derivative of the inner function, which is a quadratic expression. If we differentiate x squared plus 1, we'll have just 2x. We'll do the same thing for v. If we call v as 3x minus 2 to power 4, if we differentiate the v, the x, what this will give us is differentiate the outside function. This will give us 4, 3x minus 2, subtract 1 from the power, this gives 3, multiply derivative of the inner function, which is just linear. This will give us 3. So if we open this up, this is simply 12, 3x minus 2 to power 3. And the same thing for the up one, we'll have 10x x squared plus 1 to power 4. Now let's use the formula. So the y, the x we are asked to look for, v du ds, our v is 3x minus 2 to power 4. Du dx gives us times 10x x squared plus 1 to power 4 plus u. U gives us x squared plus 1 to power 5 multiply the v dx, which gives us 12, 3x minus 2 to power 3. And so what we want to do is factorize what is common. If we looked at 3x minus 2 on our left, this is to power 4. On our right is to power 3. So we can easily factorize the 1 to power 3. This will give us 3x minus 2 to power 3. And then if we look at x squared plus 1, the left part is to power 4 and the right part is to power 5. So we take the lesser one. This is x squared plus 1 to power 4. And so on the left hand side, we are left with 10x with one remainder of 3x minus 2. And on the right hand side, we are left with 12 with one remainder of x squared plus 1. So this is our final answer, which is 3x minus 2 to power 3, x squared plus 1 to power 4. And this, you can decide to open the bracket. If you open the bracket, you will have 30x squared minus 20x plus 12x squared plus 12. If we simplify further, we'll have 3x minus 2 to the power 3, x squared plus 1 to the power 4, and this will leave us with 3x squared plus 12x squared, 42x squared minus 20x plus 12. These are final answer. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Till we meet again, keep enjoying math. Bye.